Facilities looking for an affordable way to implement real-time water quality analytics can now get the insights they need without a hassle. AMS Access is a subscription program that provides continuous and reliable water quality data for a single low-cost annual fee. No equipment purchase is necessary. Analyzer operation and maintenance are managed by AMS to ensure the equipment operates flawlessly and it continuously delivers accurate and reliable data. Learn more about the AMS Access program.